Who's your daddy? We're live. We're live. Here we go. Hold on. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Bang! Welcome back to another stream, fellas. Welcome back to another stream. We're gonna go quickly live on TikTok here. I believe we can get a very nice trade very soon to the downside, so I do need to lock in fast. There we go. All right. Welcome to another stream, guys. Beautiful fair 15-minute fair value gap reaction that we have here. We're going to log right in because I feel like we can get an entry very soon with this reaction here. You can see that price action in that 15-minute fair value gap. It's starting to turn down lower in this 1-minute fair value gap. What I'm going to be looking for is I'm going to be getting into a trade right away once we break this low down here with a stop of this high and then a TP of these lows down here. So instantly right off the bat, we have a trade that is pretty rare of me to get on, but sometimes it happens. We're going to wait for the price to break this low. How big is my stop loss? 20. We're going to risk not that much money here today, chat. We're going to risk $400 divided by 26 divided by 2 equals 7.9. So we'll round it to 7, round it down times. All right, beautiful. All right, chat. Basing off this logic, you can see that we have a 15-minute fair value gap. We trade up to midnight open and we chop at midnight open, then we expand down lower. We trade into a 15-minute fair value gap, respect consequent encroachment. Stop loss is going to go back to the high right here, which is a failure swing that's stooped that high. That's a protected high. That's an intermediate term high, or that's an intermediate term high. These are short term highs. Price action should not take that. We're just trading up into this order block and clearly rejecting off of it. Not anymore. We need to see a push below that low to break structure, or else I'm not getting into the trade. But so far, price action does look very, very clean. Welcome, guys. I'm live on YT. Live on YT. If you want me to read your chat, go to my YT stream, Benjamin SMC. So what I'm looking at, chat, right now is you can see that price action manipulated and opened at 9:30. Okay. And all we did is turn up higher and then consolidate at midnight open. All right, price re-referenced midnight open, and now it's pushing away, and we have a 15-minute fair value gap that's price is respecting to. So I am leaning towards bearishness, but I don't love how we retested that fair value gap, but it is respecting consequent encroachment still. So an entry does look pretty valid here. I just want to see it break below this low here, and then I'm in the trade. I just want to see it break back down below the low to kind of show that we're out of this consolidation, because I don't like how it's retesting it, but it is respecting 50%. So it is a BPR as well, chat. If you look here, you can see we have that inversion fair value gap. So we're in a little bit of a BPR. The short looks beautiful here. I am going to get ready to get into a position right away. I have to put it on trade of 8. Just need to wait for a good reaction. I'm not reading chat right now. I'm locked in. The consolidation is great. Guys, I'm live on YT. Live on YT. Benjamin SMC on YT to see my screen. Benjamin_SMC. All right. Gotta get into a trade here. Not a good reaction again. What's up, guys? I'm trading NQ on YouTube, chat. Benjamin SMC. Okay, again, a good reaction, but it's not breaking out of that range. That's why my fill is a little bit lower. I just want to see price action break out, and then we're going to short here. Okay. We're going to short here. Holding over that short button. Shorts look beautiful, but I'm not loving that open because that candle did not form a high. Yeah, we're going to get in here. All right, we're in short. Plus at that high. TP down at these lows here for a total of 3.84R. Let's see if we can make this PM session a little bit better than the AM session. Beautiful reaction so far. I want to see it continue down lower and attack that low right there. All right, I can finally read chat now. What's up, guys? Hate the new trading view look. There is no new trading view look. This is the same old trading view. What are you talking about? Guys, we're live on YT. I'm trading MNQ. Live on YT. Okay. Check this baby out. Live on YT right now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The order panel's different. It's the same for me. Not a good reaction there. But price action should melt to lower. Like using that 15-minute chart, like this kind of obviously looks like it's going to sell off. The only way it would not sell off is if it's really shit price action, which it kind of is. So that's why I cut risk, because if this wasn't trash price action, I would full leverage into this trade. This trade is beautiful. But because the markets aren't the cleanest, I cut risk. And that's what you have to do when you adapt to the markets. What's up, Sin? How's it going, brother? How was trading? Guys, we're live on YT. Where's the inversion fair value gap? Right here, brother. Right here. Look how it just melts away from it, you know? Beautiful body. We're going to drag our stop loss to this high here, cutting risk in 50% once we take that low right there. But so far, things are going good. So, Ben, you put your orders on Tradeovate? Yes, because when you copy trade on Tradeovate, you cannot put your orders on TradingView. That does not copy it to all accounts. What's up, Ullman? How's it going, brother? Up there under $30 today. Very interesting day today. Yeah, today was dookie. I'm giving PM a shot, but I'm not risking that much capital. All right, fellas, not the greatest reaction there, but it's still respecting bearish order flow, so we got to stick to it. Let's stick on the 15-minute time frame. It's clean. It's sweet. It traded into a 15-minute inversion. It broke structure. Not inversion, fair value gap. It broke structure here, traded to that fair value gap, respected consequent encroachment. Basically, by going of the law of order flow, price action should continue back down to these lows here. And that inefficiency. But again, price action is bad. You never know what's going to happen. That's why we cut risk. But with my knowledge, it should continue down lower. Just give it a little bit of time. I did not get banned from Apex. What are you talking about? You got this, bro. Thank you, brother. Thank you for tuning in to the stream. Guys, I'm so excited for next week. No, it's Friday. I'm going on the vacation on Friday, and then I come back and I go to Florida for that event. Bro, I'm literally gonna have a dinner with Terry Crews. Can you believe that? So the package that I got, chat, so basically I'm a content creator at this event, not an attendee. So that means we get the content creator package, which you can also pay for, but it costs $30,000 per ticket, American. Obviously, I'm not paying for that. But I think there's more. Like, I'm going to get dinners and stuff. I might host a dinner there. I'm thinking. I might host, like, a dinner at Nobu and invite a bunch of creators. Beautiful reaction to the downside there, though. I'm not trading gold right now. I'm live on YT trading NQ. I might host a dinner at Nobu. But here's the only issue, guys, is, like, this is Miami, and I'm going with content creators. You know they're going to order, like, the most crazy drinks and everything, and my bill's probably going to be, like, $15,000. A bunch of creators. It's like Jade Cap, Dodgy, Trader Kane, J. 'Cause Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, it's a business expense. You know what I mean? I think it might be worth it. Like, if I bring all those creators to a dinner and I pay for it and I do a speech and everything, I might do it. It'll be a very expensive dinner, though. Drag stop loss? Oh, yeah, you're right. Thank you, guys. Yes, drag stop loss. You guys see, you guys know my model already. All right, risk cut in half, 50%. Oh, that's way too much. There we go. 50%, W's in the chat. Can we get a W's in the chat? So far, the trade's looking pretty green. Guys, we're live on YT. Benjamin SMT on YT. Hey, Ben, I requested to connect with you on LinkedIn. I haven't been on LinkedIn in a while. Of course I'll accept you. Beautiful fair value gap reaction. See that little inefficiency there that price action traded into when it broke structure? Look at that. That should drive price lower. Look at that reaction. Oh, we're so juiced. Chat, we're juiced for a win here. We're juiced for a win here. Loving the PM stream. Great vibes. Thank you, brother. Oh, yeah. Finally, I have the keys in my... Oh, okay. For the people that don't believe I have my Mercedes, motherfucker, I finally brought my keys in here. Okay. There you go. There you go, big boys. Big boys and girls. All right. There you go. Not the greatest reaction. Should reject off that fair value gap. Should not push back up higher. But again, you know, price action is very low probability. Not low probability, but a high resistance liquidity run. So we're not expecting price action to completely just rip lower. We're expecting it to be a slow climb to the downside or a slow fall. %90 off code won't return that soon. They just did 2 back to back. So I'd be very surprised. Beautiful fair value gap reaction there. I'm not going to add positions because the probability of the markets are really bad, but like, that's a beautiful reaction. Guys, I'm live on YT. Benjamin SMT on YT. Patience is everything. Also, guys, don't miss out on the 80% off sale with Apex Trader funding. Code Ben. Beautiful reaction. I want to see this continue down lower, chat. Beautiful. Lovely, chat. This thing is going to start melting. This is such a sexy trade, though. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that trade right there, man. Oh. Let's run it. Let's run it. This is beautiful. You just love to see it, eh? You just love to see it. You can trade all the accounts on TradeAvate, but if you want to do on TradingView, you have to get Replicanto and use Rhythmic and NinjaTrader. Let's keep happiness on hold. Remember morning session, brother. That is the worst mindset to have, to be sad about one little loss. Brother, be happy when you lose and be happy when you win. Life is good. Life is great. What are you talking about, bro? Just bro's negativity is, your negativity is not gonna get leached onto me, brother. I don't know what you're talking about. Guys, we're live on YT. Benjamin SMC on YT. Just do the trade of 8 option. The trade of 8 has a built-in copy trader. Beautiful reaction. Beautiful reaction with that fair value gap as well. Look at that. If this trade hits TP, we're definitely doing our trade recap on this on YouTube. Let's go, UDB. I appreciate it, brother. No, I'm trading NQ right now. Guys, join my YT stream. Join my YT stream. Thank you for the subscription, Foiser. Keep melting. Go to the floor, baby. We're resting in $400 profit. Jesus is king. Yes, sir. Money printing. Come on, keep ripping to the sell side. Keep ripping to the sell side. I'm going to probably drag my stop loss to break even here. It shouldn't break above. So we're going to try to break even here, chat. Just above these candles right here. So we have break even on the day. Not on the day, on the trade. So let's see how this goes. Can we get a W in the chat for another banger trade? Another banger trade. Can we get a W in the chat right now? I want to see all the W's. All the W's. Guys, I'm not reading chat on TikTok. Watch me on Benjamin SMC on YT. Yes, sir. Got a little 5-minute fair value up there that it can go to, so don't drag your stop loss below that. But yeah, guys, definitely don't miss out on this 80% off sale with Apex. Ends in 2 days. But guess what? I have even bigger news for you guys. Should we give away? Should we do a giveaway right now? Should we do a giveaway right now? I feel like we should just do a giveaway. Who wants a 50K Tradeify account? Who wants a 50K Tradeify account? All right, type in my Discord if you want it in general chat. I'm gonna close my eye. I'm gonna stop. So typing more won't help. If anything, it'll do worse for you. I'm gonna stop the scrolling and I'm just gonna pick someone. Okay? Like, look. This is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna stop and then I'm gonna scroll and pick someone. Okay? 3, 2, 1, stop. Okay. Now I'm gonna close my eyes. And my cursor is going to land on someone's name, okay? I'm going to put my cursor, I'm going to start it right here, and I'm going to close it and scroll for 3 seconds. 1, Mississippi. 2, Mississippi. 3. J. You win account. You win account. Here's your code, brother. I'm sending it to you right now. There you go, Jay. There you go. W trade and we're ripping. You know what? When we do giveaways spontaneously like that, chat price rewards us. Yo, we need a partial. Hold on. Lock in, twin. Lock in. Whoa! Look at this trade. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Can I get a W in the chat? Money. money. Can we get a W in the chat? Let's run it. Guys, live on YT. Just caught a banger long. We're still in it. All right. Well, we made everything back and we're closing this day out in profit. Profit on this terrible day, which is amazing. Let's go, Jay. Congratulations, brother. Did I say long? Short, I mean. I'm in a short. Beautiful expansion to the downside. We have dragged our stop loss to the high of that original fair value gap. We're going to drag it just a little bit more to confirm a little bit more profits here because price action really shouldn't go down to the most recent swing high. Price action is going to get dragged right there. It can go a little bit lower actually. Right here. It shouldn't break that swing high right there. So, all right. We've guaranteed another, what, $200 on the trade? Maybe, yeah, around $200. So, beautiful profit on the day today, chat. That is a beautiful profit on the day. Beautiful. Yes, any eval on Apex is 80% off with code Ben, brother. Where's the chart? I'm live streaming on YT, Benjamin SMC, Benjamin_SMC. Beautiful fair value gap reaction there. It's going to continue to sell off, chat. Just hold this trade. Hold it to win it, guys. You helped me pass my Lucid 50K eval. Let's go. Let's run it. Guys, we do bangers every day, man. Like, I knew PM session was going to be a little bit cleaner. I knew she was going to be a little bit cleaner, though. Beautiful reaction. Yo, order flow is so bearish right now. It's so clean. Welcome, Raphael. Streaming gold tonight? Nope. No Asian session tonight. Need to catch up on sleep and I have a lot of work to do. It's not 120% off. It's ROI, so you get an extra 20% on your payout. I've started gambling to help my trading and get rich and get the itch out of my system. That's an interesting strat. Lost my express on Top Step on the AM. Started a comma. I got 1.5. Not the best day, but hey, you learn, journal, and move on. Exactly, brother. Good mindset. We're literally resting in so much profit, chat. We're going to be dragging our stop loss a little bit more now here to guarantee $250 extra. Oh, what a trade, chat. Can we just get another W's in the chat for this beautiful trade that has made us all this money? Beautiful, beautiful. PM session had beautiful price action. The morning was terrible, but today the PM session is lovely. Deliver us right to TP there for that 3.84 RR. Yes, I'm in short right now. Yeah, everyone, like up that stream, guys. Like up that stream. Another fair value gap. Let's see if IOFed can deliver. Oh, such a beautiful trade, man. Such a beautiful trade, bro. It's so lovely. so lovely, chat. It's just so lovely. Oh, I'm so happy. Don't you love it when price action just is so clean? Ben, God would not like you to charge one of his followers for your model. Good thing I don't charge for anything anymore, Jeff. God would not like you to judge other people. Damn, I walked away from and forgot to set a TP. Brother, you're still chilling. We're still ripping, baby. Let's go. Full TP is getting approached. Full TP is getting approached, brother. Full TP is getting approached here. Dragging our stop loss to that high now to guarantee an extra $320 on this trade, chat. $320 added to this trade minimum. Right now we're resting at 500. We need to continue to hold this though. Show my screen. If you want to watch my screen, watch me on YouTube, Benjamin SMC. If you want to watch my screen that we're resting in this banger trade right now, go join the YouTube stream, chat. Benjamin_SMC. Ben has like 5 W's and 20 L's on the year. Well, I mean, that's not true, but if it is, and those W's make up all my losses plus more, then why does that matter? By the way, guys, my payout did hit the bank, so it is secured and it is in my pockets. $215,000. In short time, you improved my trading to be calm and not worry when I'm down. Let's go, brother. I was down $700 on the day. Now I'm up $400. I need to wait, and that PM will be better. Let's go, brother. I love to hear that. Those are the messages I love to hear. I'd rather hear messages of people saying that they're getting over their bad habits than people saying that they got to pay out. The real sauce is how Benjamin manages his stop loss. The real sauce is my sauce. I'm kidding. I didn't finish the sentence. Yes, that is sauce though. You need to pay attention to how I manage my stop loss. Christopher, thank you for the subscription. Conversion fair value gap is not a strat. It's a PD array. Yo, Martin, pause. Everyone trades with discretion, just not fully. You know, you have to have a system. Just to end up break even on the day. No, I'm in profit. This is obviously more than 1 RR. Here, I'll show you really quickly. You can see the gross P&L on this trade, on the day, I mean, is $7.50, which made a loss back for that original partial. And now at minimum, if we get stopped in profit, I make $350. And if we hit full TP, I'll be making $1,000. So no matter what, that balance is going to change to either this or somewhere in between from that to that. But it looks like it's going to go to that $1,000. Actually, I believe it's going to be a little bit less. I think 750, not 1,000. That was what it was calculated if I didn't take a partial there. I got exposed as a LARPer. How do I LARP if I don't... What? Do you even know what LARP means? dun, 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 dun. Where's midnight open on the chart? Go to the hourly candle and mark out 0000, and you can see that we consolidated at that, showed rejection. That's why I was bearish. I don't think people know what LARPs mean. A LARP means you're like LARPing off of someone. How would I do that if I'm so isolated in Toronto? Or LARPing off of something. I fake my trading payouts? Really? Damn. That must suck. I wonder why you think that. I actually truly believe that haters are not real, chat. Like they're glitches in the matrix, bro. I swear they're just like they're coded. Eddie, what's up, brother? Yo, we're cashing out in this right now, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, LARPing off TJR. No, because like, bro, they literally spend their time and like they feel like they're I don't know what it is, because I remember I used to be insecure and I used to hate on some people sometimes. Like I would admit it, I used to be a hater when I was insecure, like when I was fat and I was young. But I would never consistently join the same stream over and over again and just to hate. Like, you know, that is just like next level. Like I don't believe those people are real. Or A, they're not real, or B, they're just rage baiting and they watch the streams just to watch for fun. Like it actually has to be fake. Like there's people that make literally whole different accounts after they get banned to join in. Like the Kelvin guy in here, this is his 4th time in here and he got timed out all 4 other times. Why does buy stop enter another trade rather than subtracting from my current short trade? You have to change the contract sizing. So if your current trade is 4 contracts and your buy stop is 10, then you're going to do that. But buy stop is only for shorts. It's sell stop when you're in a long. You always trade off 15-minute fair value gaps? Nope. I just, whatever the higher time frame is reacting to. Discretionary higher time frame. Bro copies TJR. Chat, you exposed me. I copy TJR, chat. Doesn't let me modify stop loss size. You have to close this. So cancel order, change the contract size in your trade of 8. So let me show you really quickly. Look. Change this. Okay. Change that. And then put your contract size on again. Brother, I answered your question like 5 times. Why are you... All right, you're gonna get... yeah, this guy's getting timed out. I just answered your question and you're spamming it 3 billion times, bro. Yeah, you're definitely getting timed out for that. Put user timeout. You got 5 minutes, gang. I just answered your question. This guy's copy and pasting a paragraph. Lock in, twin. I'm live on YT. Benjamin SMC on YT chat. What's the best way to identify low probability conditions? So when 2 things. One, for my model, if you see 930 doesn't manipulate, you stay away from it. But also if price action has moved a lot in the early AM, depending on the day of the week, what the prior day is, news events, like just basically understanding the power of 3, right? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. When you just finish distribution, what's next? Reaccumulation. You see that we distributed throughout the morning. We're going to be accumulating again. Okay. That's why I'm not targeting anything outside of this range. My TP's inside of this daily range. So that's how you identify lower probability markets. I have videos on it on my boot camp for completely free. Yo, what's up, brother? Guys, we're live on YT. Benjamin SMC on YT. Bro, I don't know what it is, Ryan, but it's your profile photo, because it's always the bots that have the no profile photo, that every time I read your message, I think you're just like a big hater, and then I'm like, oh, it's Ryan. And it literally actually makes me mad, because I always think it's something that will be, you know, engaging, and then I'm like, that's fucking Ryan. What do you think about gold? I'm not trading gold right now, but it just ripped. Like, stay away from it. Like, give it time to reaccumulate. You're gonna have to go through the rules, brother. I don't think I've traded their select account before. But I'll do another big giveaway tomorrow, chat. If you wanted to tune in tomorrow, I will give away four Tradeify accounts, and I'll give away one instant funding Tradeify account, which is worth $600. So stay tuned for that. Beautiful reaction to the downside. W's in the chat right now. W's in the chat. Stop loss being dragged to the previous swing high that was here, not this one. So guaranteed $450 on the trade while we're resting. TP is going to be here. Oh, this is going to be beautiful. This is going to be beautiful. We're actually going to leave a runner with one contract just down to our full sell side liquidity target. Other than that, we're going to take 3 contracts off here and drag our stop loss aggressively. See if we can have that low resistance liquidity run. So I'm going to put 3. Yeah, we'll take 3 contracts off here at TP. But then we'll leave a 1 contract runner. Beautiful sell today, chat. Such a, you know what? For such an ugly morning, it was a beautiful trade. Thank you, Ben. 7K. Let's go, brother. At minimum, guys, we're making $450 on this trade. Minimum. Okay? So, no emotion whatsoever. Plus more, actually. We're technically making, at minimum, $800 on this trade. Or like, yeah, $800, because we made everything back. Plus a little more. It doesn't currency. Watch a video on how to trade and copy trade and manage on Tradeivate, brother. Do I need a website? No, actually, I just paid a developer like $20,000 to create a website for me, which will be available in March. So I do not need a website. Thank you, though. By the way, guys, I have a huge thing coming out in April, end of March to April. Massive. I'm spending close to $100,000 on it, and it's going to be a product that every trader can use. But guess what? Oh, he's LARPing. Nope, it's going to be free. Tradeivate has a built-in thing. This guy's a Fortnite hacker. Ryan, thank you for the $5, brother. W Ryan, chat. W Ryan. What type of website is that? It has over 600 pages and it's SEO optimized. Yeah, I paid a lot for it. It's gonna be a big website, brother. Beautiful, chat. I'm probably gonna take my my full TP at these lows instead, and then leave the runner. We'll see. This thing's still melting right here. Beautiful, chat. Oh, this is so beautiful. All right, I'm gonna full TP here, chat. Depending on this candle close, let's see. Oh, it's a beautiful candle close. I'm not full TP yet. I can let it ride a little bit more. That candle close is beautiful. This candle's gonna rip. Yep. Keep selling through the floor. All right, I'm gonna TP here, chat. If this candle inverses. Getting ready to full TP here. I'm leaving 1 contract open for a runner. Full TP. W in the chat. TP hit. Now we're leaving 1 contract open with my stop being right here. Okay. W in the chat. P&L so far 500. So we made our loss back plus an additional $500. Let's see if we can get a runner for a full TP. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Guys, I'm live on YT. Benjamin SMC on YT. Trade recap, I'll do that on YouTube. Beautiful reaction chat. PM session was great. Beautiful, beautiful trade chat. I'll show TikTok really quickly. Guys, if you missed my YouTube stream, which we're still live in, you can see that we're in this banger short that we just took. Banger, and you see that that's connected right there. Banger trade right there. Dub, 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 dub. I got like 10 minutes late, still banged. Let's go, brother. Yo, Jay, did you activate the account in time or did you not get into this trade? It's never a good habit to copy trade. You always want to learn. You always want to learn more than you copy trade. To be able to do it on your own time sometimes. But guys, do not miss out on that 80% off sale with Apex Trader Funding. It doesn't end in 2 days. 80% off with code Ben, and if you use code Ben, it gets rid of the consistency rule. You can get a 300K for only $50 and up to 20 of them to copy trade. Let's go, Jade. W trade, man. I'm not streaming Asian session. Doesn't look like this runner is going to want to live. It's soup that low. Literally, I told you guys. Listen, I told you guys to take profit at this low and not that one. And look what happened. It's soup that low and not that one and reversed. What did I say? Do I not know my shit, chat? Do I not know my shit? Beautiful reaction here. I'm probably going to close the trade here. I'm not loving reactions. It's also not worth me to hold more. I did trade to this accumulation, so it could reverse here, but yeah, I'm just going to leave it. Let it hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Bitch, pussy, hit it. You won't. Yeah, that's what I thought. How long till the trade recap would be up? A couple hours, brother. I'll let you know in the Discord. Such a good short today, though. Such a good short. I knew we were selling off. Like, chat, did I not tell you the whole day that we were going to these lows? Did I not tell you that? I knew we were doing it, bro. Like, if only I got on earlier and caught that short right there. Oh. All good, though. We caught our piece. Yeah, you have to take partials on Trade of 8. Everything has to be done on Trade of 8, brother. There's a fake Benjamin SMC watching my stream right now. On TikTok. Wow, it actually literally baited my stop loss. I mean my stop profit. Force Damas, whatever your name is. Damas. What's up, Desi Trades? Come on. Keep ripping lower here, chat. Let's get a rip lower here. Let's get a shrip. A schwip lower. It's not looking great, though. It looks like it wants to continue back up higher. Well, we'll see. Gotta hold the trade. If you don't hold, you don't win. I appreciate the tread, Ben. Gotta go to work. See you tomorrow. Hey, brother. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, closing the trade. Do I enter now? Brother, no. We're closing the trade. This is one contract left. Why would you enter into the trade now? I just full TP'd. It hit TP. Why would you enter into a short? All right, W, we didn't get the full runner that we wanted, but we did get full TP, which is lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. 3.8 R on the trade. Made all our losses back, plus more profit on top of that. So we made our loss in the AM session back, plus we made an additional $619.50 on the day. Can we get a W in the chat? We're going to wrap up that PM stream. In and out, done. We're not going to go for more here. Everyone make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's do it. Let's finish in prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another amazing day and opportunity. Lord, please be with us. Forgive us for our sins, and glory and praise be to your name. Help us grow with you, Lord, and help us put on a good image for you. Father, please make sure that we live in your will and not our own, and help us grow closer and deliver us from the evil one. Thank you for everything. Glory and praise be to your name. In Jesus Christ's holy amazing name we pray. Amen. W trade chat. I'll see you guys in the next one, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow. I'll see you guys then. We have a big giveaway. Do not miss the AM stream. We're doing a big giveaway tomorrow. Massive giveaway. So do not miss out on that AM stream chat. 9:20 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow on YouTube. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. God bless. Good trading. Great short. Stay disciplined.